In this video, I'm walking through how I help a Shopify store grow their YouTube channel by 153%. The first step for any project, whether it be on YouTube SEO or SEO within Google, is keyword research and figuring out what content you want to work to rank. And the first step for that would be looking at and understanding your target audience and search terms they may be using. And then looking at keyword volume to figure out if it actually makes sense to focus on these keywords, looking at competition to see how competitive those keywords are, and then focusing on long tail keywords as well from a content perspective, and also to make it easier for you to rank. Now, tools you can use for this process here, if you're using this specifically on YouTube, would be vidIQ, SEMrush, Ahrefs, or you can do this manually as well. And the manual process would be looking at your competitors, seeing what they're doing, and then also looking at other content that is posted within your industry or niche. Now, for this project here, all the videos that we created were all based on content that was already published on the site. So blog articles or collection pages. Next step is making sure, after you have the video created, to optimize the title and description correctly, each individual YouTube video, and making sure you have compelling titles, clear, concise, and captivating titles that accurately reflect your video's content. Include your main keyword in the title, use action verbs, and keep it concise. For the descriptions, you want to provide a comprehensive description that elaborates on the video's topic and highlights key points. Be sure to include keywords in there naturally, mention your call to action or links, and then use a conversational tone. Some of this will depend on your brand itself in terms of the tone you use and your brand voice. And then link in description, include relevant links to your website, social pages, contact forms, other channels, things like that. So again, clear call to action, link to your valuable or related content, and then keep it concise. Now, for thumbnails, this is where it also depends largely on your brand. Regardless, though, it's almost always recommended and will likely perform better if you use high quality images that aren't blurry. It is almost always going to be recommended. And then text overlay, include a clear, concise text overlay. And this would be likely for the title or part of the video to work to improve engagement on the thumbnail and with the video if it's searched somewhere. Color contrast, and these are just design principles, and then relevance. Obviously, the thumbnail should be relevant to the video topic. And again, depending on your brand, you don't need to have a thumbnail that is over the top crazy with explosion icons everywhere. It could still look professional and be aligned with your brand and still generate positive results for you. And I'll show you at the end here the actual results of this project. Within each YouTube video, you want to make sure to add the title and description, like I mentioned, but also add relevant tags or keywords in there, select the proper category for the video, and then make sure that all of these elements are in line with your channel brand. Lastly, the most important reason for success for this project was consistency. We created a full content topic list of all the videos we wanted to create based on content on the site and worked to publish that content regularly and consistently over time. And this is the same process that works for basically any SEO project that I've seen, where you're working to continually create content and build links to drive the authority and trustworthiness and traffic for any SEO project. So what does this look like then for this project here? These are the results for this project here. You can see the videos got 58,474 views in 2023, up more than 153% from the year prior. Watch time, 1,500 hours. And this is for a high ticket B2B store. So this was significant growth for them. 186 subscribers, 66% more than the year prior. This is an example of one of the videos that did pretty well. You can see over 14,000 views, 242 hours of watch time. And again, this content is based on content that was already published on the site in terms of blog posts or collection pages. So this is a strategy that when you combine existing content or create new content based on keyword research that your target market is actually searching for, it's going to work extremely well to drive more traffic, more engagement, and generate new business organically through Google search and YouTube search. That's how I was able to help a Shopify store grow their YouTube channel by over 153% without doing any viral or off-brand content. This was all related to their brand, all professional, relevant thumbnails. And this was something that worked extremely well for them to grow reach and traffic from YouTube. Hopefully you got some value from this video. If you did, subscribe to my channel. I post content like this regularly about SEO, SEO strategies, and how you can help grow your site from an SEO perspective. And that's it. See you in the next one.